Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like out the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Today I'm here with Babe. I don't know Razorblade TV from Razorblade TV Vlogs and Razorblade TV, right?
And Razorblade Vivo.
Oh wow, yes, Vivo channel now, guys go over to Jason Vivo channel and subscribe. May I tell you no one want to tell them about it?
No.
All right guys, trust me.
Song drop.
Song I got drop, and may I tell you, this is it. That one here, every time something drop, me say, alright babe, I eat this, but that one here, I eat now. 12 out of 10. If you listen to Jason music, comment in the comment section and tell him how him do.
Tell me which one of your favorites so far.
Yeah, baby, doing a really good job. Today we will be doing a little mukbang, and we'll have some pizza here. Show them, babe.
Yo.
We did hungry, so we did a thing.
Nah, like people, we did mark this morning because we did want some pizza.
Jason just wake up and I said, babe, I want pizza. And trust me, we did have to make it happen because Jason rarely feel for fast food. So
never.
When we hear him say it, we just say, you know what? Let us bathe and go on the road to get
pizza.
We end up stray, but we get pizza. So yeah, this is a barbecue with extra green pepper and onion. I did post on my Instagram telling you guys to send some questions, some spicy questions, and I got a lot.
Can I take the first bite of pizza now?
Okay.
Right, great. As a fat girl like me, do you love to ride it?
Yes, I always ride it, but not for too long. Not for too long before Jesse get out. Not for long. But yes, I do. I love it because it gives a nicer feeling. Like, yeah, you guys get it.
What's your body count?
I wish not to share.
I assume say them question are for you. What's your favorite position?
And you, because I say I ask Jason, so what the ones that you can answer. It's a body count.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
Favorite position? I know I explain it.
Because
For you?
okay.
I know I explain it. Alright.
Why you don't want to explain what?
You want me to explain it?
What?
You want me to explain? No? You want me to explain why you kept on your channel what my favorite position?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have some styles, is it? It's a backers, but it's a variation of the backers.
Don't tell them. We said it already before. I remember somebody did message you and said, what can I say that dog?
I'm gonna keep saying. You know what I'm telling?
Just know it's backers, but it way deeper than that.
Yeah, them things that make people love you. Alright. Hypothetically speaking, would you adapt if you can't get pregnant again?
Yes, I would. And even if I have kids, I may still adapt.
What do you do to spice up the relationship?
A lot of stuff. When you live together for a very long time, you can't even count, because as the day them go by, whatever you see in your position where you can use to spice up your relationship, you do it. So there's a lot of stuff that I do.
Alright. Is it hard to pursue a career in music or even social media and still go to church? I guess that's for me. Is it hard to pursue a career in music or even social media still? It's not hard. It's just that I guess the market is a bit smaller, because if you check Jamaica, check the statistics based on what you see, and it have to be true too. Dancehall music get the most views out here. Gospel music would get the lesser amount of views based on what we sing. It's not hard. It's just that you know, say if a gospel you do, and you can still go to church, of course. There's no I say nothing wrong with that. For dancehall now, of course, me on social media, I still go to church. I sing all type of song, I still go to church. You don't really change nothing. You see what I say? Still go to church, because it's not about okay, me have to be holy clean for go church. I go church for a lot of stuff. I go give thanks to the blessings them I get. You see me give thanks to things that happen when never happen. Yeah, so depends on where I go church from.
No shake? No, look. Or not gonna affect them. Want to catch it with that?
No, you know, I have to catch. You know, I have to catch, baby.
Okay, great. Yeah, answer that.
Yeah. Some sexual stuff that are off limit in the bedroom. So let me ask you what's off limit in your bedroom.
A lot of stuff. Whole heap of stuff.
Yeah, have you ever dreamed about trying to sex in your dreams? Was it with Jason or you cheated?
In my dream?
Yeah.
I've cheated in my dream before.
Oh, before you ever say nothing no go so?
I told you.
You
So
tell me,
I couldn't
yeah.
say otherwise.
I never cheat in my dream.
Yeah, that was very weird though.
Are y'all still going to church?
To be real honest,
we haven't been
no,
to church in a while.
in a very long time, and I feel bad. However, what I do is I watch church on my phone. So you know you have
Online.
online.
You're in the mood, he's not. What is your alternative?
I do what I have to do.
What do you have to do?
Me compare, literally. Babe, answer a question.
I don't for me.
No.
Listen, they're saying you're in the mood, he's not. What's your
Alright,
alternative?
you're in the mood.
I'm not
you're
in the mood, so-
She's not. What would you do?
Baby, easy myself. Hey, babe, when last me in that mood, so tell me I could jog you until I say, yo,
No,
Marty.
but what you do on the style. First of all, let me answer a question if
You
Jason
can't
I'm
answer
gonna be
no
honest.
question for me.
Him come beside me and him have him tool and juke me on my back. I juke me on my leg.
That's a
I'm
lie.
just a rub it all about.
That's
I'm
a
just
lie.
a
Every
ignore
woman
him.
go here and just find me too if you go squeeze up.
Hello, I do that when I'm in the mood. But when you're in
that
the
seem
mood,
like I always then.
hey, when you're in the mood, that him do have it a juke
Who
me
is the
on my
more
leg.
dominant one in the bed? Because I can't make you just try to tell me that for me.
Jason.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how good is your partner's sex game?
10.
10. When are you planning to have kids?
When the time is right.
How long you ever go without sex?
Probably a month.
A month.
A month.
A solid month, that you know?
Yeah.
Are you a thumb in the next hole type of girl?
No, not at all.
If
No,
not, would you try?
no. Nothing with that is a no.
Wow. What are your two most favorite romantic things to do with each other?
Dinner nights. Yeah, we
I
really.
love when you look off you like them and we have like it can go on now.
Yeah, we look at dinner now. We light up the house and
Whenever we celebrate one epic moment, we always pop something to drink and then it turn into one full night of sex. Remember when you come for an Oh God Man party?
yeah,
Have y'all cracked a joke while doing it?
enough time.
Oh God Man, that's at least.
I always tell people say, me and Jason, we giggle a lot. Especially me. I always give Jason one joke. You know what is that? And we take long for do stuff. So even when we are hang out close, like, oh my God.
Yeah, everything always become like a big joke. Some joke have to pop up.
We not only get to see one portion of our life, and the funniest moments them not touch the camera.
Never.
But guys, we giggle a lot. Me and Jason, we are hang out close and we take 1 hour because we stop, we laugh, we giggle, and we just,
That's
it's
never
just
playful,
we life
so.
just simple.
Where this place you guys ever done it? Next.
Go on.
How many kids he want after marriage?
Babe, answer that question because you changed your mind for me the other day.
I was just feeling the feel. I want between 2 and any amount. But I don't want 1 though. 1 just feel like it under.
want
If I have a
3.
girl, I want a boy. If I have a boy, I want a girl.
I want 3. Babe, you know what I always worried about? When we start have kids, like we have the, like just saying, we have the girl and then we go for the boy and then we get one next girl and then we have to just continue to try until we get it. I don't ever want to reach another position there.
You're going to trouble.
I just know I'm gonna get a boy though first.
Getting first, no business will come after. Who's most likely to initiate sex?
Me.
What's the freakiest thing you did with Jason?
The freakiest thing I've ever done.
She kissed my ears. What are your biggest fears?
Death.
Hmm?
And not necessarily me. I just can't deal with it.
Oh.
I don't like it. Like me don't know how to deal with it. It no matter who you be, once me hear, if me talk to you already, me go cry. Me no like deal with it, me no like to hear it. All if you have 100 and me know say that day they did go come. It's like I just don't know how to deal with it.
The older I get, the more I understand certain stuff. My biggest fear right now, I just feel I'm afraid of something. To be honest, just fear. So things like skydiving, I always say, yo, me young, I'm afraid that when I grow older, I say I want to do it. Now I at one stage, I say shoot, but even want to go on, nothing bad go happen. So I just don't like feeling afraid of nothing. I hate fear. I hate to know say something they do what I want to do, and I cannot do it.
Yeah.
Just it. Who said I love you first? You.
You know, you.
Babe.
I was waiting for this question.
Babe, no.
Babe, I called you babe first, but you told me that you love me first. Remember good, and I can remind you. When we did just start talking with me, you not, babe, me not lie on you.
I lie. Watch me.
If him first tell me say him love me, and it felt so genuine.
So you don't feel genuine again?
No, it of course not every time.
Would you do a threesome to save your partner's life? Hey.
So what do you so? Would you? So you're not answering the question, would you, babe?
Me save your life? What you mean? Save your life, baby. Tell me what you're doing.
I don't know how to feel.
Tell me what my baby dead. I joke, me make. When I make you dead. And when you're gone, when you're gone, me gonna have somebody else.
This is why you answer that.
You see?
Stop that. Me not know. Probably because I'm not a big fan of those stuff. Like hearing the question, it just turned me up like, oh baby, I really have to survive now. But I probably would if to save you.
How do you initiate sex?
Different ways, depending on the mood that I'm in and the position I'm in. That
You
is
say, hold on,
important.
yesterday, me see I initiated with you. Same thing when I say. Every 5 seconds, this girl just go lap your foot around me. Standing up, you know.
It depends on the position I'm in and stuff like that, and the location of when I'm there.
Alright.
We do several things.
Who is the freakiest?
Me.
Alright. Super sight or super hearing?
Super sight or super sight?
Sight for me too. How often do you do it? I think it depends though. You have times where we come like, alright then, we're not up to that. And you have times where today, tomorrow. As a matter of fact, not even today, tomorrow. No, later. In the night, where?
Depends.
Yeah, so it depends.
And what we had to eat and drink.
Yeah, that too. Alright. What's an ideal weekend for you?
Ideal, okay.
I can answer one part of your question for you. A weekend when me there home fully. No, you said there home, but be there around you fully. You rest.
Would I say that?
Oh, once me there home.
Yeah.
Okay.
When Jay said that woman weekend just not feel like it's a weekend. It just feel weird.
When me there home?
No, when you're not home.
Oh. Alright.
Everything just move slow when you're not there home. When you're home, like we move. Even though we have, this is something that I think you can admit to, I can admit it, and we not take offense to it. We're each other distraction.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say biggest distraction, but we distract each other a lot, because when we are home, with even if we have stuff to do, we tend to stop every minute, cuddle up, laugh, joke. Me come and say, babe, look on this.
I think it's good that we can actually be each other's like favorite persons. So probably that contribute to it. But me always say too, big distraction.
Yeah.
Yeah, facts. That's a fact.
Yeah, but me love when they say that work.
My ideal weekend, once me there around, I'm good. Or it have to be one profitable weekend doing some work. Oh, how much time can he have? Can he do it for the night?
I never count, but
Why most never go?
yep.
Whoa.
Just leave it at a lot.
Alright. Does Jason ever taste Caesar breast? What?
What is that?
What is Caesar breast?
A chicken?
If you had to sleep with one of Razor Bro for saving, would you do it?
Then I want me have to sleep with one of your bro for saver.
Yeah, good question. Good question. Back to the question. Are you guys financially stable?
I would say yeah.
I would say no. Probably because how man think about money different from how woman think. Man just thinks that they need to have everything together. So, would I say no, but we're alright.
Stable.
No. Who hand the most?
Me.
Yeah, you're on it right now, me I tell you that. What is Jason's favorite part of your body?
I don't know, babe. You tell me.
To be honest, your face. I love your smile. I love when you look. I love when you have this look like you want comfort. I love when you have this look like when you remember something nice but you hear the pan. I can't even do that little chummy look there like you. And I just come and say, you remember something? No, I just love them. I love all type of your look them. Your face. Your face is my favorite part. When you're sad, I can see it. Remember, I can't read it. When you're sad, I can see it. When you're happy, I can see it. When you have a flashback, I can see it. When, like, if miss, like, that's why I love to tell you, say, something wrong with me. If I tell you, say, like, that day never go good. And you say, yeah, start asking me, start telling you, I'm going to go one side and me get over it. I just come see you sit down and look so. So, I love your face. Your face, like, your face are the best part.
If me did answer that, I would think I'm my face. I would think I'm my belly. Because
Yeah, but rub your belly every 5 seconds.
just I would play with like alright. Just ever play with my belly fat, like, and him find comfort in it, him lay down on it, him squeeze it. Me always just say, alright, it's awkward because I love it. But like I love the belly, not the comfort where you give me. But yeah.
What's your favorite part of my body?
Oh, that's a very hard question.
Maybe, yeah.
Your ears.
Would you try having sex on the toilet?
I don't know if it happen. But okay.
What was your reaction off camera when you get pranked? Off camera? I think after the camera off and with Soaky in the moment, I understand see a prank.
We're not even talking
We
about
go back
it.
to normal, we just laugh it off.
Yeah.
What was your most memorable experience with Jason? We have about 3.
What's that?
But I try to judge them, but I'm not try to judge them too quick. But I think the most memorable day with you was the first time we moved from living with your sister to the house where we live by ourselves. Like, I know so when we go up there, you know, we just there catch and ray. But when we have a move, I remember me telling my plan, me show my blueprint, I say, babe, but this way I go to ray. And when it come through, I say, alright then, man, we go do this way, I do that. That day was like the most. Come here, tell her, say, she clean, she wipe, we fix up, we happy. You know, we go to bed late because we clean the place. We go to bed.
Happy?
Yeah, Johnny Palmer said, babe, we are by ourselves. Be things and this, she did just look extra happy. That's one of my favorite. I think when we did get the car, that is nice too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was an out of body experience. Yeah, because the whole time we did there, Kadisha said, "Dog, you good?" And I say, "Oh, Jaja, me
You
even
know,
know."
I have black clips that I never
Yeah, let me post with
upload.
it. Oh, yeah, Kadisha said, "Dog, you good?" Probably, you know, bro. You know, my tell you, my talk to me is that me not did it. That was a real out of body experience.
Yeah.
The proposal wasn't really my favorite experience. Not that it's not one of them. It's just that me just glad to me finally do it. And my sister, you did enjoy. But I tell you, when you did move, your reaction them did have to change. When we move and you hug up me tight, I said, "Baby, we're gonna live together." You see, me tell you, say. And that's the end of the
Teamwork.
questions.
That's the end of it?
Yep.
Whoa. This was a really nice video. Guys, this is the end of the video. If you're new to my channel, I'm jealous of my seat can't do that, you see?
That's the driver's comfort, yeah.
But if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for tread the journey with me. Road to 100,000. Yeah, show off now, babe.